Altera.
This is the Minn Kota Altera, and you can control it with a remote, phone, and depth finder. One time my daddy forgot to turn it on, and I got stuck out in the water, and he had to come save me. This is Helix 7, and if you come over here with me, this is Helix 9. Now what these do is they show us the fish, and Helix 7 next to Helix 10. Helix 9. Helix 9, and that is Humminbird Helix 7, and they tell us how deep the water is, and they tell us where the fish are, and they have sides, and most importantly, they drive the boat. So, watch this, guys. Power Poles Series 2 with a Muckray motor.